If you're like me, and my condolences to you if you are, you like to know the stats and some of the information about how your website is being used. Well, it's no different with the Joomla project. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send some stat love to Joomla or even change the choices you've made in the past about doing that. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 228 here in the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, so if you have any long-term needs or short-term needs, you're looking just to hire for some help, send me an email, tim@cybersot.com, and let's talk. Now, today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. Check out all the tools and information that come along with the subscription to mysites.joomla. And if you decide, mysites.guru, if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen here. Now you're going to see I have a green bar up at the top here. I'm using StageIt. It's an extension that allows me to make a staging version of Joomla. So I can show you these things in the staging version, but still have the original basic install that I use for tutorials. That saves me from having to reinstall Joomla over and over again. And I have a video on how to about StageIt in the description below, a link to it. All right, so we'll switch to the staging environment. And as you'll see, when you install a brand new Joomla site, you get asked if you want to send some stats. Now, they're just generic stats, but they help Joomla, the Joomla project, to know all the different environments that Joomla is being run on, and that can come into play in how Joomla is developed, or maybe there's some things that need to be taken care of. You know, that's for the brains to take care of. I just send the stats. The people who know what they're doing deal with that. So what you can do is, and look, you can even check on this link, and you could click on that link and you'll see unique ID, PHP version. This is all the information that you're sending. There's nothing personal. So if you want to send that enables Joomla statistics, just say yes, I'll help Joomla, and that's all you need to do. Now, but what if you want to change your settings? Maybe afterwards you think, I don't want to send stats. I shouldn't have listened to Tim Davis. The guy's a hack, so you want to change that. Or maybe you want to just set it up after working on the site so that it will ask again for your clients to make that decision. Maybe you're going to build a site, hand it over. Here's how to change those settings. Go to System, and then Plugins, and then filter for STAT. We'll just go with Stat. Right now in the core install, two plugins will show up, and you'll see here's System Joomla Statistics. And right in here you have some options. Now, right now, remember I said always send, and right now the interval's every 12 hours. You can increase that or you can decrease that. Or you can now go down to mode next and say, hey, don't ever send any stats. Just never send stats. And when you save that, stats will never be sent again. Or maybe you want to, like I said, give a client an opportunity to choose whether they send stats or not when you let them into the site after you finish building it for them. And then you can just go to ask again. Now, little trick, a little pro tip about the ask again. If you're handing it right over to a client right away, change the interval hours to 0. And then when you save, the question will pop up again here on the site, and you can say to your client or to whoever you built the site for, okay, there you go, log in, and you can choose whether you're going to send some stats, maybe even recommend to them that they do. Anyways, that will help the Joomla project. That will make for some cool graphs and some cool information. And hey, if you like that, why not share the stat love around? I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications of new things happening here on the channel, and why not give the video a like? It will help others to find this information. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.